guys. So I'm going to be showing you a little Domino's thing. Around. And it's supposed to be in the shape of a heart, and it didn't go so well. So yeah. And when it gets done falling, I hope it looks like heart. So. First, I got to show you the heart. See my camera. Good. So, here's the heart. Not very good, but and I hope
make it better.
Hope you can see that. I don't know if you can. But there you go. Yeah, it worked. That's somewhat of a heart. What? No, I was going to watch a YouTube video. No, I was watching one. So that sort of works. That's somewhat of a heart. Kind of it. I hope you can see that. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you like this video, and it's only a minute and like 50 seconds, so
58, 59.
camera, 2 minutes. But anyway, that's all for now. Comment, subscribe, bye.